बिरेस्तारा डिसेबिलिटी कायदो विशयाचेर गोंय विद्यापीठात जागृताय कार्यावळ जाली. विमेन स्टडी विभागान ड्रॅक संस्थेच्या जोडपालवान ही कार्यावळ घडोवन हाडिल्ली. RDX गोवा खातीर ताळगांवच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिगीस.
Gender Sensitization Inclusion Project of the Women Studies of the Goa University has, in association with our Association Disability Rights Association of Goa, we are organizing this program today, Access to Success for Persons with Disability, to create awareness among colleges on the rights of persons with disability. As you know, the new rights of persons with disability has come in the year 2007, and many colleges are still not accessible, nor are they maintaining reservations for persons with disability. So that is why we are having this awareness program to create awareness and sensitization on these rights of persons with disability.
Where is this held?
No, this is being held at the university, Goa University today.
Gender Sensitive Intervention for Change student project from Department of Women's Studies in collaboration with DRAG. DRAG is an NGO who works for the person with disability.
We all know that each one of us have some deficiencies within us which are only known to ourselves. Each one of us must have faced some difficulties in dealing with our day-to-day activities, and somehow we have overcome those difficulties.